Welcome to the Purdue Global Virtual Graduation Fair. In this tutorial, you'll get a glimpse of what to expect during this fun, interactive event before graduation. Leave your mark on the graduation shoutout board, where you can upload photos, take a selfie, and congratulate your classmates. At the virtual photo booth, find out how to receive your snapshot in a Purdue Global digital frame that you can share on social media. Have any questions during the grad fair? Use the live chat feature. Join live video sessions with administrators, faculty, and staff from your program, and get to know the Alumni Association. First, find your station on the main page and click Join Google Hangout. On the next screen, adjust your camera and audio settings. When you're ready, click Join Now to interact with attendees. Click the phone icon to end your session. Before you leave the fair, stock up on gear at the online store. Show your Purdue Global pride and style with apparel, accessories, and gifts for the whole family. Congratulations on your achievement, and we'll see you at the fair.